Hi Lee. Right, so cut some wood just to spread the load, top and bottom. Just extended these out. They are adjustable with one notch down. Jacked it up. This side works better for some reason. This side tends to slip a little bit, but definitely the roof has gone up quite a bit. And as you can probably see, I've got the hose out and just trying to flood the roof. At the moment it is pouring off the right side, which would kind of make sense because this has gone up further than the other one, and it's going off to the side. But let me show you outside. So I've put it up on the auto leveling legs and everything, and as you can see, it is literally pouring off. If you can see it, yeah, it's pouring off the roof down the side, which is absolutely fine. I suspect it probably came off the front, you know, from new. Let's get up here and show you. So yeah, I'm pretty much flooding the whole area here, and it is literally going off. This is the strip that leaks, and that screw there and the one the other side where that mark is, it actually split the roof with plastic. You can see a crack running all the way across there, and it actually has extended. What I'm going to have to do there is just drill a hole at the end to stop the hole of the crack getting any bigger, and then just redo this sealant, or maybe tape it. You know, you can see it's pooling there, but then it is going over the other side. It's not getting any deeper there. Yeah, you can see it's not flooding over there. I mean, this whole thing was flooded before. It would pool all the way around it. You can see some pooling up there. Again, I think if that got any higher, it would be going over the side, which actually it might be going over the side. I don't think it's coming in through that window or anything. So yeah, I'm going to have to fix these cracks, glue silicone them up, and I would think a frame on the outside would quite possibly work.